Hi guys, and welcome to this new lesson. Today we'll work with layers and create something customized and superhero themed, something Tony Stark would appreciate. I now open Inkscape, and the first thing that I do is to go to File and Import, and I choose the image. Next step, Path and Trace Bitmap. To get more details as possible, I'm going to play a little with brightness. I want to show you something about this option. For example, if I get close to 1, for example 0.9, the details that the software takes are like this. If I try with something like 0.4, I think it will get a little bit better. Indeed, the software took more details. Okay, I'm not satisfied, so I'm going to delete again, click on the image once more, and try with, let's say, 0.18. Okay, this is exactly what I want. So I'm going to delete. So I'm going to delete the image and just going to work with this one. I go to View, Display Mode, Outline, and I'm going to Path and Break Apart in order to delete all the small details that I don't need. To highlight more details, I can click on one and then press Shift, click on another, 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 so I can delete them all. As I'm working with layers, I want to make sure that my project is colored as I want. So I'm going to select the outer part and click on black. I'm going to select all the details that I want red, like this. Now click on the details that I want yellow, and so on. I will now insert the name, go on Path, Object to Path, and then Path, Break Apart, as I want to move each letter as I wish. I'm going to select the name, choose the color if I want, black or red, maybe better, and then go on Path and Union. So now all the letters are linked to each other. I want to create a bigger path for the name, so I go here, this icon is called Fill Bounding Areas. I click on it, and then this is what I get. So I'm going to use the outside option, so I use Command 0 as I'm using a Mac, or Control 0 if you're using a Windows, to make it bigger. I select the old things one more, going on Path, Break Apart, in order to delete the small details. I want to create a bigger path even for the outline of Iron Man. So I'm going to click on the other path, click on Command C. As a quick command, you can use Ctrl C if you're using Windows to copy, and then Command V or Ctrl V to paste it. I'm using Command 0 to the outset option. Now I'm going to select both of the other paths, click on Path and union. Okay, once again I'm going to path and break apart in order to delete the small details. As I'm almost done with my project, I can now decide what size I want. So the size I've chosen, it's about 14 inches high and 13 inches wide. Now if I change the display mode and go on normal, I will see different colors, and by changing this option here, the layers will change colors. I work a little on display mode outline too and changed some colors. I play with the layers and this is the result. As I want to create a background, I'm going to select the outer path, copy it, and then paste it. I save the first file. I save the other. I will now open each file on ShaCo. I open the first file and click on Start. And I do the same with the second one too. I also use red glitter to customize the name better. And this is the final result. I really hope you liked this video and see you next time.